This is how it looks like. You see, click here to add new autoresponders and the rest. So these responders they help you to, like, in case you are doing business and you are not present at that particular time. Now this and you are on, so long your data is on, it will help you out. Mostly if you are selling product and the rest, can just someone can hi, you just say hi, you're welcome to this. And think you have been seeing something like that. You just say like press one to do this, press two to do this, press three to do this. You have been seeing all those empty and the rest. So this is what they use. With this you're able to do that. So let's start up with, first of all you have to on the autoresponder first. Okay, you have not granted access. Okay, then you go to, I have already made boyfriend. You can just check your settings and the rest, and make sure that your settings is, I'm looking for something that will longer. I do all this setting, I have to reinstall this thing again. Automation, okay, okay, I think that will longer delay. Okay, default is delay minute and default delay, no sorry, I'm looking for the delay minute to set it up here, because if you let it like that, when it is somebody just send message, you think just send once, person will know that you are using auto respond and one, but when it takes time like 5 seconds, 10 seconds rest, they will say yeah, this person is using I don't know where that one is now, but okay, I have already made this thing already. Let me export it, import it here. I've been using these rules for some time, so I just let me, I can still send you these rules too. Can use those examples. Okay, this is it now. So now I've done this now. I will send you a message. Then you will see what will happen. Sorry, I'm looking for. Okay. Business WhatsApp. I don't want it to appear on my two WhatsApp, and still I still have to do so that it will not come up on groups and the rest. That be long I did this. I can't really remember. Okay. Let's just end here. Just how to do this first. So what you will be doing, you can add your own. This is like now. If you see this one now, if somebody just ask me say, "How are you?" or "Alpha," any I write it, or "Alpha," or "Alpha," any "Alpha," or "What's up?" Only word to send that I'm good, doing good. They say thanks, thank you. All those will say you are welcome. It was to send. They send your account details, or you send your account. Any of them, you send. We send my account details to you. When you will first of all just receive my message, you to send this one. Amazon, it's pleasure having you. All those kind of things, all those, and so on and so forth. So when you say hello, good morning, or good not good evening, you say hi, Governor Empire Boat. Um, and I'm sure today is. So I'll be teaching you how you're able to do something like this now. So let's take for instance, you click on this plus sign. Then you type like this is my singing mate. Then you can allow it to be exact match or similar match. So exact match means if the person just type something like this, it will show, it will pump out your response. Then similar, like if somebody do say something similar to this, it will say pop out. So now just, so what should be saying now? Say I'll say yes it is. So when somebody just say this is my singing mate, somebody just type it, it will just after some minutes I will set it here. You just say yes it is. So now You have to say if you want to be multiple replies and the rest. With some of my distance there are multiple replies. So all this they are not in normal this thing, but they are here in the premium. So I can decide to make it multiple replies whereby that is why you say press one to do this, press two to do this, and so on and so forth. So you can decide to connect your open ChatGPT and the rest, and so on and so forth. And okay, here is where you put your minutes, maximum of, let me say, delay seconds, maximum of 1, or maximum of, sorry, seconds. If you say 1, that is automatic. Maximum of 10 seconds, that is you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. So now you will set this here whether you want it to be on both group or just only individual or just only group. So you will set it here. Then if I say individual, it will send for only. If I say group, it will send for only group. Then specify contact. If you want to specify the contact to do, but you don't want to specify, you can leave it that way. After everything, you just have to say save. Yes, is save. Tab, okay, this good here. Just click on the good. So now look at it here now. This is my singing mate. Yes, it is. So that is also. So when somebody just send a message, I will tell you to send the message now. You see what I'm talking about.